So I've been waking up many mornings to find a smattering of bird poop on my side view mirrors of my gold standard floor care van. Always wondering just what the heck's going on. So it looks like the mystery is solved. I've got a very either self-obsessed male cardinal, or he just doesn't like the looks of that chump on the other side of the mirror. So apparently he has this little battle every day. There he goes. All the while leaving a little mess behind for me to clean up on my side view mirror. Look at him go, man. Pretty funny stuff. Well, there you have it. Again, mystery solved.